I'm with web2.0television.com.
Oh, gee. Oh, good
Yeah,
for you.
pretty exciting stuff.
Oh.
I was wondering, as someone, I'm turning 24 next week. I'm in my mid-20s. If I was,
that's really old.
it's it's almost mid-20s.
Yeah.
It's a little bit, you know,
Yeah.
getting up there. If I was to get something done within the next couple of years, what would you recommend?
Wear a sunscreen because you got very pale skin.
Yeah,
sure.
I do.
Okay. Even in cloudy days. And
In cloudy days, why is that?
Well, because the clouds only filter out about 15% of the UVA and the UVB rays.
And what's so bad about the sun? Why does it make your skin age so much?
Oh, it's sort of, over time, it'll fracture your collagen, so your elasticity your skin will go, and you'll get wrinkles.
So SPF 15 every day on the face.
Yeah.
What else would you recommend? Yeah.
And then you're predominantly an eyebrow lifter, because I've watched you.
Oh.
I've done some analysis,
Oh.
which is good. But if you're a habitual frowner at 25 and doing this, to prevent that 11 occurring when you're my age.
The 11, is that what it's called? The line
Well,
here?
the two lines. See, I have two lines. See, when I frown. Okay.
That's the 11.
That's the 11. If you want to avoid that.
I'm not a grumpy person.
No, but if you were an habitual frowner,
Right.
and 48% of the people are, then you shoot up Botox and you prevent those lines from coming.
But doesn't it give you no expression when you have Botox?
No,
You're sort of like
absolutely
this
not.
and you can't really like...
No, but you can
Yeah.
eyebrow lift and you can squint.
You can squint?
But you can't frown.
'Cause
So
I'm
you
the-
just do that isolated muscle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So sunscreen, no frowning. What would you say about sports like yoga, for instance? Because I met this woman who's a yogi instructor, and she was, I'm not going to mention her age, but she looked 15 years younger than what she actually was. And she told me it was from breathing techniques and so much exercise that she does like 3 or 4 times a week. She looks great.
Well, we all know that exercise really works very, very well.
Would you recommend yoga?
My daughter teaches yoga in California.
Well,
in
there you
LA.
go. All right.
So of course I would recommend it.
Okay, say my dad aged really well, because he's South American, and he looks like he's like 30 and he's like 50 something.
Yeah.
But my mother doesn't age that well. Does that coincide at all?
Well, what sort of skin tones do you have? Your mother's?
Irish and Colombian. I
Okay.
have both a little bit, I think.
Well, what color is your skin? Because you're awfully pale.
I'm pale. Oh no,
yeah.
it's all over. Okay, also one last question. And what's the youngest age you think you should sort of, if you're someone that frowns a lot and has these deep 11 o'clock?
As soon as you figure out that you frown a lot, 25 is a perfect stage.
Really?
We have more and more younger people coming in to
Wow.
do preventative Botox.
Preventative Botox.
Yes. Oh, yeah. It's
Wow.
really something. And
It's
you know,
expensive though, isn't it?
What?
For someone like, I mean, I
No,
don't
you're
make
looking at about $360.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much,
Okay,
Dr.
great.
David Ellis from the Art of Facial Surgery.
In
Look your
Toronto.
best, feel your best in Toronto. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here at the Restylane. Can you see the thing? Define yourself. We're about to watch a live demonstration of a Restylane injection. This is so exciting.
People will ask what the difference is between Botox and Restylane or Botox and Perlane. And Botox works on reducing muscle activity and muscle spasm. So it reduces the wrinkles that come with the movement of the muscle. Perlane and Restylane are used to fill in folds and deeper wrinkles that are there even at rest. Now, people often think that they can pick just Botox or just Restylane.
You can do both?
You can do both. Because
Wow.
Botox will work again. You open Restylane? Botox again will work on muscle activity. So usually Botox is used in the upper half of the face for the frown lines and for the crow's feet. And Restylane and Perlane more used for the lower half of the face to fill in the volume.
Wow.
As soon as we're done, you're going to be able to see the difference. Unlike Botox, which takes about 2 to 7 days to kick in, up to 14 days. But for the most part, Restylane and Perlane, you'll walk out and you'll see a difference right away. I mean, if you sit her up now for a second, okay, you can see already a bit of a difference
Oh,
between the left side and the
yeah.
right side, and we're not even done yet. Okay. The best
Giving
result.
support for God, okay?
Sure. So we just witnessed an operation with Dr. Mata of Restylane.